Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi.
Okay, I have the honor to introduce our next speaker to deliver us an inspirational message. He was an acting general manager of Electric Cooperative Incorporated in Lanao del Sur from September 2015 to 2016. Vice President for Mindanao National Movement of Young Legislator from 1992 to 1998, and National Vice President of the National Movement of Young Legislator from 1998 to 2001, and Assistant Secretary, Deputy Executive of the Office of the Muslim Affairs, OMA, from 2001 to 2010. He was also a Commissioner of the National Commission on Muslim Philippines from 2010 to 2014. He was also added to Department of Foreign Affairs from 2006 to 2007 and Hajj Attaché